Hey, so before this video starts, I just want to quickly let you all know I've created a Discord server. So within this Discord server, I'll be giving any support regarding this series as well as any other series I make, and I'll also be posting every time I make a video or start a live stream. Hey, welcome back to my bukkit/spigot plugin tutorials. So, as we left off last time, we made our first command. Now today, I'm going to show you how to work with events. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use a block break event, and every time a player breaks a block, I'm going to send them a message telling them what block they broke. So within your package, just like you did with commands and your main, you're going to go onto it, click new and class. Name your class something along the lines of your event name. I always just name it the event name with that event at the end. Like we did with implement command executor, we're going to add implement listener with a capital L, and then import it just as you did before. Control-Shift-O or hover over it and click import. Now within here we're going to want to type the @ symbol and then event with a capital E and then handler with a capital H, and then you're going to do public void on break block break event, like so. So this doesn't matter, you can put whatever you want here. This has to be like capital B, capital B, capital E, and then this is your variable for it. So Control-Shift-O to import event handler and block break event. Now what I'm going to do, I'm first going to get the player. So how I do that is player equals event.getPlayer. So we now have the player saved. I'm going to import player, and you can see it becomes underlined because I don't use it anywhere in the code yet. So now what we're going to do is block equals event.getBlock. So we now have the block, and I'm going to import bukkit. You pretty much always want to import bukkit. So we now have our player and our block. Now we're going to send the message to the player. So what we do is player.send message, and then we're going to do you broke a, and then we're going to do plus, then you do block.get type toString to lower case. Then we're going to add another plus and quotes. Then I'm going to put block at the end. So this will say, like, for example, you broke a dirt block. So now we go into our main class, and we have to register it similar to we did with the command. So what we do is get server, and this is in your unenable, make sure about that. Get server dot get plugin manager dot register events, and then you do new, so like you did here, new, then your class name, so block break, and then in here you do this, and then again like before you might have to import it, but since I have it in the same package I don't need to. So now whenever I get on the server, whenever I break a block, I will be sent this message. So let's go give that a test, shall we? And we can see now if we break a block we should get that message that we set up. So you broke cobblestone block, this one should say stone block, so should this. This will say stained clay, gravel. So you can see now we have the basics of events down. That concludes the second episode showing you the basics of how to use events. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, and I will catch you in the next video.